Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are looking at a Belgian 10 centimes coin. So if this is something that you're into, please stay tuned and let's look into this. Hey everyone, welcome back, and today we are looking at a 10 centimes coin from Belgium. Now this is a weird coin, everyone, because as you can quite clearly see, it has a hole in the middle, just like a polo or something. Now why this has a hole in the middle, this is absolutely oblivious to me. I don't know. And I do apologise as usual, as this coin is not in the best condition. But this coin is very old, and I mean very old. I think it's like 1903, something like that. It is very, very old. Over 100 years old this coin is, from Belgium. So if we look at it, I'm sorry everyone, it's just not in the best condition, but we're trying to do the best we can. To the right of it is 10 CEN, if you can make that out. Then going across the bottom to the top around the left side of the hole is like a, I can only say like a leaf, a branch, something like that, sort of angling round the coin. So if you could sort of see it in a better light, it is a pretty coin. It kind of looks gold in colour, I would say. It's definitely gold looking, a bronze to gold. And as I say, the main feature of this coin is that it has the hole in the middle. There's not very many coins that you see with holes in the middle. So that's definitely something sort of stands out with this coin, and it's 100%, and I can definitely say this is not in circulation anymore. Not from over 100 years ago. This would have been taken out of circulation a long time ago. So, if you've seen this coin and you know about it or anything about it and why the hole is in the middle, if that's some reason why it's in the middle, maybe they put a string through it and you can put your money through the string and wear it round your neck or something, because it's not particularly a big coin. It's fairly small, so it wouldn't really weigh much, quite a few of them. And what it's worth, I don't know, up against the British currency, 10 pence maybe, I don't know, but that's what I'm guessing. So yeah, well that's it, that's the front of the coin, everyone. So no further ado, I'll turn it over and show you the back. Right everyone, we're back, and this side of the coin don't look so bad, to be honest. It's a bit better than the other side. Right, let's start off with the date down the bottom, 1904. As I thought it was 1903, so I'm sorry, it's a year later, 1904. So this coin, as you can see, is very old, well over 100 years old, so well worth having one of these in your collection. Right at the top of it has a crown, if I can make that out, a crown of some sort, so maybe the national treasure is a crown. In the middle, round the hole, it's got some sort of vine, maybe some sort of integral design to it, but it looks very nice nonetheless. And then going around the edge of the coin, it's got writing. I'm not even going to attempt to read that, people. Maybe the other side it says Belgium. And then a few stars. Yeah, so yeah, this has a bit more going on this side of the coin, but they've integrated the design around the hole, as you can see. So the hole takes design round, they design it round the hole, I should say. So yeah, everyone, as we see, this is a very, very old coin, and you probably ain't gonna see too many of these going around, I would imagine. So if you've got one of these, it's well worth hanging on to, because coins that are over 100 years old ain't gonna come round so easy. Yeah, this is it, everyone. So basically, if this is something you enjoyed, I've got plenty more of coins like this to show you. So yeah, please stay tuned. Please like and subscribe, and leave all your comments down below as per usual. And yeah, come back soon, because I've got more coins to show you and treasures. So thank you everyone for watching, and I'll be back soon with another video for you all. Thanks everyone, I'll see you soon, and take care.